What's up everybody, my name's Luke Martin. I'm a Canadian YouTuber and traveler, and today I'm in Taipei City, Taiwan to make a video about the top 5 vegetarian foods that you can try here in Taiwan. Now, in some countries that might be a difficult task to find 5 delicious local vegetarian foods, but here in Taiwan there is an abundance of vegetarian foods to try, with some reports saying around 13% of Taiwan's population being vegetarian and over 6,000 vegetarian restaurants here in Taiwan. So I had no hard time finding vegetarian food. The hard part is gonna be picking only 5 to show you today. So make sure if you haven't already to subscribe to Taiwan Plus's YouTube channel. Let's go eat some vegetarian food. Number 5 on the top 5 Taiwanese vegetarian foods. I'm starting things off with breakfast. So Taiwanese breakfast is full of different vegetarian options, and if you eat egg, then it adds a lot more options. One of my favorite things to have, and a really popular Taiwanese breakfast item, is soy milk. So soy milk is often accompanied here with youtiao, which is a Taiwanese fried cruller. The way that he makes it is he's got 2 pieces of dough that he presses together with this long chopstick and then stretches it out and dunks it into the hot oil. It puffs up and becomes golden crispy, and then it's kind of like a long fried, almost like a donut that you can dip into the soy milk. So as I mentioned, lots of different vegetarian options, but soy milk and youtiao is one of my favorite things to have, so let's try it out. This is the final result of the youtiao. You can see it's puffed right up, golden crispy, and it's perfect to accompany with soy milk. I ordered mine hot. You can get it hot or cold, and you can also get it sweet or salty, but the salty kind does come with shrimp. So this version is all vegetarian. You can see that thick, rich soy milk, and the best way to eat this is to take the youtiao and just go for a dunk right in there. Saturate that nice oily youtiao. There's a lot of flavor coming from that soy milk. It's got a little bit of a nutty aroma. Of course, the youtiao is just pretty much the medium at which you eat the soy milk with, because there's not a whole lot of flavor, just a little bit oily. But just look at how thick this soy milk is. I love eating it hot like this, but it's also really good to have cold. Oh man. Perfect vegetarian Taiwanese breakfast. Simple, but satisfying.